Hey, the captain here from Boca Raton, Florida. Just wanted to get a video out there before things get crazy today. We're expecting Hurricane Milton to hit the west coast of Florida probably within the next few hours. I was telling someone yesterday, I came out of my home yesterday to make a phone call, and the last hurricane that I was actually on site before it hit was Hurricane Gustav. And I remember that morning before Hurricane Gustav hit, there was a certain smell in the air. There was a certain humidity to the air. There was a certain light to the air. And I'm feeling that now here in Florida. I believe that today Hurricane Milton will take a little more southern route, and I believe that, and I'm no expert, not claiming to be, but just from experience, I think Hurricane Milton is going to shift to the south and definitely incorporate the area where I am in. Not so much in the eye of the storm. I think the eye of the storm is going to be more Fort Myers, Sarasota, but it's going to dip down to get to Palm Beach County. So I'm really glad that we're mobilizing for Pompano and Broward County for our distribution hub and our command center for rescue, recovery, and relief. Things are dire in North Carolina. Our teams are still going to stay there and in Pensacola. From Pensacola, they'll just see where Hurricane Milton finally does have an epicenter and then respond accordingly from there. Me and my teams here, we've got a total of 56 here, former Navy SEALs, Special Forces, Green Berets, retired police, firemen, EMTs. We're ready to respond here in Palm Beach County and Broward counties. All I ask of you, please, is if you are in the state of Florida and they have demanded a mandatory evacuation zone, please evacuate as soon as humanly possible. It's going to be very hard. Get to a local shelter. Don't get in your cars. There's no gas left. There's no resources left at all the stores. Stop going to the stores. Just stay at home. You need to pack what I like to call a go bag. I'll post later on what that should be in that go bag for you. But immediately you need to gather your things together and get to an evacuation center before noon today in the counties where they have mandated a mandatory evacuation. Now, this is going to hurt. This is not mean. If you have been ordered to mandatory evacuate and you do not evacuate, you have just signed your death certificate. This is now the third largest hurricane to ever hit the United States. This will be a cataclysmic event for the state of Florida. If you do decide to stay, on your forearm, take a permanent magic marker and write your name, your closest kin not in this state's cell phone number, and your social security number. Why do I say this? I say this because in my experience of recovery efforts during these massive storms like Hurricane Katrina, Superstorm Sandy, earthquakes in Haiti, that's the only way we'll be able to identify your body and get you back to your family. So if you have, the message is, if you have been ordered to mandatory evacuate, do it now. Captain out.